If you're looking for the best body weight exercises for arms, but don't have access to a gym, you're in the right place. One of the biggest fitness myths is that you need dumbbells and machines to build stronger arms. The truth is, your muscles don't know where resistance comes from. They only know tension, and if you challenge your arms properly using your own body weight, you can build impressive strength, muscle, and endurance. Let's start with one of the best body weight arm exercises you can do. Chin-ups. Unlike pull-ups, chin-ups use an underhand grip, which places much more emphasis on the biceps. Every repetition forces your arms to pull your entire body weight upward. That's why chin-ups are often called the king of body weight bicep exercises. If you can't perform a full chin-up yet, use resistance bands or focus on slow negative repetitions. Building strength takes time, and every representative counts. Next, let's talk about dips. Dips are one of the most effective body weight exercises for developing strong triceps. In fact, your triceps perform most of the work during the movement. You can perform dips on parallel bars, dip stations, or even sturdy chairs at home. As you become stronger, increase your range of motion and focus on controlled repetitions. Dips don't just build strength. They also help create the arm size and definition that many people are looking for. Another excellent exercise is the diamond push-up. Unlike standard push-ups, diamond push-ups place far more tension on the triceps because of the close hand position. Many people are surprised by how challenging they feel. If regular push-ups are easy for you, diamond push-ups can be a great progression. They require no equipment and can be performed almost anywhere. Now let's move on to an exercise that many beginners completely overlook. Inverted rows with an underhand grip. Using a low bar, suspension trainer, or sturdy setup, pull your chest toward the bar while keeping your body straight. This movement targets the biceps, forearms, and upper back at the same time. It's an excellent option for people who aren't ready for full chin-ups yet. Another underrated arm exercise is the flexed arm hang. Simply hold yourself at the top position of a chin-up for as long as possible. It may sound simple, but it creates constant tension in the biceps, forearms, and grip muscles. This type of isometric training can help improve arm endurance and overall pulling strength. And speaking of grip, don't ignore your forearms. Strong forearms improve performance in almost every upper body exercise. One simple method is using towel hangs. Throw a towel over a pull-up bar and hold yourself up for as long as possible. Your forearms and grip will work incredibly hard to keep you suspended. Now here's something important to remember. Body weight training becomes more effective when you use progressive overload. Many people think they need heavier weights to build muscle. Not necessarily. You can make exercises harder by slowing down repetitions, increasing total reps, reducing rest time, or progressing to more difficult variations. Your muscles simply respond to challenge. Recovery matters too. Your arms don't grow while you're training. They grow while recovering. Getting enough sleep, eating enough protein, staying hydrated, and allowing your muscles time to repair are all essential for progress. And most importantly, stay consistent. You don't need 20 different exercises. You need a handful of effective movements performed week after week. So if you're serious about building stronger arms using only your body weight, focus on chin-ups, dips, diamond push-ups, inverted rows, flexed arm hangs, and grip work. Master these exercises, challenge yourself gradually, and stay patient. Because stronger arms aren't built in a single workout. They're built through consistent effort over time. And if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more fitness tips, workout guides, and body weight training advice every week.